Hey there everyone, welcome back to another episode of Trade by Numbers. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. Now, if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, and you want to do it without someone pressuring to sell you a course or something, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and the most important thing you can do for me is hit that like button. It helps me get these videos out to more people, and that's what this is all about, is trying to help as many people as I can be able to achieve financial freedom. I know we're going through an economic crisis, we're in a recession, we've got more to come, but I promise you this is the best time that you can possibly be out there making money. You can make a little bit of money in a bull market, but this is the time to position yourself. This is the time when all the volatility is out there. This is when you can really set yourself up for financial freedom, and that's what I want to help bring to you. So let's talk about the market a little bit. We didn't have a market on Monday, and I didn't do any trading yesterday. Hung out with friends and family. Gonna dabble around a little bit. However, I will say I don't spend much time trading this time of year. Last week of December, you still got people doing tax harvesting. You've got people out traveling, still spending time with family and things. And it's just not a time of the year where I'm going to spend much time day trading. Now, with that being said, it does not mean that we're not keeping our eye on the market and getting ourselves positioned for what I see moving forward into the new year. So let's talk about the market a little bit today. We've got the S&P up 0.1% in the pre-market. So we could get a little bit of a pop today. We was fairly flat on the day yesterday. S&P down 0.39, Dow up 0.11, and the NASDAQ taking a pretty good hit at down 1.38. So a little bit of a mixed day in the market, but the Dow definitely taking the brunt of that, which you would kind of expect this time of year. Technology sector getting a little bit of a hit, especially with the interest rate hikes and money just being a little bit harder to borrow. And with that being said, one of the things I do want to put on your radar, and this is just something I see moving forward through the month of January, I do see us legging down at this point. I was really hoping we'd run up, we'd hit that 4,100, and then we would get a pullback. Didn't happen. We've started pulling back, so I am targeting that 360 range to test. With that being said, where I almost know we're kind of going there, I am playing some positions to be able to take advantage of that. One of those you can check out for yourself is the SQQQ. Now, if we were to get a breakout, which I already picked up a position this morning, I wanted to get a little skin in the game. It's just a little over 55.50. Still sitting in the pre-market, looks like 55.81 at the moment. So in a pretty good buying area, because what I'm looking for is to see if we can break out of the 56 kind of 30 range. If we can get over about 56.30, then I'm going to start looking at targeting my take profit right there around the $60 mark. Now that's a pretty good ROI. If you can get in anywhere in there, even if you want to wait and see if it breaks that level and get in there around 56.50 and run that up to around 59.50, that's $3 a share. That's over 5% on your play, which is not a bad play at all. Get in a little earlier, you got an even better chance. Now this is not necessarily a day trade. Could it run up to that in a day? Absolutely. But what I'm looking at is over the next couple of weeks. I'm looking for that target area. I'm looking to see if we get that bounce off of the 3,600 range for the S&P. If we do, we could get a little bit of retracement, or we could smash right through that and run down toward the 3,400. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. I haven't slept well the last couple of days, I'll be honest. Just haven't got much sleep. It's been running around. It's been pretty crazy. But it's been a great time, so I'm not complaining. But that is definitely one I want to put on your radar, because I do believe we're going to test these levels and that there's going to be some money to be made. Now, as soon as we kind of get through the end of December, we get into the first of the year, that's when we're going to start nailing things down, get a little bit more proactive in some day trading and things. But we want to get some of this tax harvesting out of the way, let everyone get back home, get back into trading, so that the market, we all know the market's not predictable, but at least a little bit more predictable. So that's kind of my message to you. Definitely something for you to go check out with the SQQQ. I'm going to cut it off right there. Join me this afternoon. We'll kind of go more market plays, talk about some things I see, and definitely remember, I'm starting 2 brand new portfolios. Leave me a comment. I've already had a bunch of people respond. I haven't sent out any links, but I'm going to send out an introductory video link and the link to those Discords. So if you've already commented, trust me, I've got your name. I'm going to get everything out to you. We've just been working everything out on this end, making sure that it's the best experience possible for you. So if you want to learn how to trade in 2023, whether you're wanting to learn how to trade stocks or crypto, I'm opening up a brand new Discord with a portfolio attached to each of those Discords so that you can learn all the ins and outs of it. If you really are willing to dedicate yourself to it, I am going to show you how you can achieve financial freedom. Leave it in the comments if you're interested. Join me this afternoon. We'll go over it some more. And until then, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.